Hi everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. How are you today? It is Monday, October 30th, 2017. Are you watching this? Every day I wake up, and I'm tired this morning. It's Monday. I was up late last night. I want to talk about that in a minute. But this market is out of control. It opens up almost triple digits to the downside and then just pretty much rips higher. We're only down a fraction with regards to the Dow Jones Industrial Average as I am doing this video blog. Doesn't seem like anything can get in the way of this market. Why did the market finish down today? A whole bunch of companies got downgraded, but as I have been saying for as long as I can remember now, buy these dips. Speaking about buying these dips here, NVIDIA, I bought December in the money calls this morning. It's already up over 1.5% today, so that's very, very nice. So a couple of other things are going on here that are just important as well. Gold and silver are higher right now. Why? The dollar is weaker. Some cash, not a whole lot of it, but some is making its way back into the bond market. Now, I don't think in this environment it's pointing towards a big meltdown or anything. I think this is the bond market kind of stabilizing, and that's another reason why we saw, this morning at least, stocks rebound pretty quickly off of their lows. So I really hope that you're using all of this to your advantage. Again, we had pretty much an incredible sale with regard to gold and silver. Again, you should have been buying the hard assets at that particular time. I went over some of this last week, and I still believe that this week the market has a high probability of more gains because nothing major is going on here with regard to the bond market. Speaking of the bond market, why I was up late last night, just real quick, I spent a lot of time working on my website, traderschoice.net. I know a bunch of you were having a problem seeing the right side of the page. I hope I have fixed that. So let me go over a few more things here real quick. I added not only, as most of you know, a real-time chart that you can watch the bond market like I do. You can see cash moving into it and out of it. Again, on my website, I also added a whole bunch of other things. Real-time charts for gold, silver, also the derivatives, SLV, GLD, and, for those of you that are interested, Bitcoin. All of these charts are in real time, so you don't have to go searching the web. Everything is right on my page there for you. I am trying so hard to make this easy for all of you to understand these markets and frankly rip its face off. Now, I'm going to ask you for a little favor. If you can just check out my website, see if it's centered for you. Go to, again, traderschoice.net. There's a link in the description of this video. And just comment here, wherever you are in the world, if it's centered. Let me know if you can see the whole page. If not, I'll work on it some more. Again, please do this for me so I can get a handle on it if I am helping you. I don't mind putting more time into this. If I have to, just let me know what you think. Again, traderschoice.net. Just take a split second, look at the page and write, okay, Greg, looks good. Okay, Greg, looks awful. It's not centered, whatever it is, so I can figure out what I need to do next to make all of our lives more simple. Okay. Couple of other things I want to talk about here. This round table thing, where am I? Here, over here. Don't miss this. I think there's a limited number of spots for people that can register. I am going to put a link for this in the description of this video if you're watching this on YouTube. It's this Wednesday, and I am not going to hold anything back, I promise you. There's a couple of guys there. We're going to talk about the markets, commodities, Bitcoin, and whatever else. And I have a feeling that I'm going to probably go off the deep end on this. You probably don't want to miss it, honestly. And I would suggest registering like when you finish with this, because I don't know how many spots are left. I heard from the guy that's setting this whole thing up, it's like people are signing up like crazy. So this is going to be really good, and I do not want you to miss out on this. All right, so let's just summarize real quick here. Markets rebounding off of their lows big time. It's getting bought up. I don't know where this market's going to end the day. It looks like, again, nothing can stop it. We got a little bit of cash in moving into the bond market. Okay, I don't see anything dramatic there. Gold and silver are higher. Dollar is lower. And Bitcoin, by the way, is like $6,200 on the way to my next target of 10 grand. And we'll see where that goes as well. Okay, I'm going to let you all go. And I will see you at the end of the day. And we're gonna put all this back together and try to make some heads or tails of it. And again, last time, check out my website. Let me know if it's centered for you. Look at where the charts are. Do you like this setup? Let me know what you think, because I can change it around. I'm going to get a consensus from all of you, because this is for you. It's all for you. And so let me know what you think about that. I promise to read the comments and make it work again. So I'll see you later at the end of the day. We're going to put all this together and make some crazy sense of the insanity. All right. I'll see you later.